Good morning. John Zortzi's here. It's Sunday, April 6th, 2025. The time is 9:11, 9:11. Look out! Ah, they're going to kill us! Ah, it's the emergency broadcast! Ah! It's 9/11. Nothing to be afraid of. And if you're watching this channel, you're not going to be afraid of 9/11 because you're going to realize it's nothing to worry about. Anyways, so it's the last day of Mercury retrograde in Pisces. Now, it's also Venus retrograde in Pisces, too. So we got a double whammy. Woo! Holy Christ. And I'm going to be going to a meeting with some friends, some double A people. And it's at 10 o'clock, so I got to eat breakfast and stuff like that. I'm having my coffee here. I'm using my... You see the mug that I got? I got this at Tennessee, Nashville. It's the Parthenon. There's actually a Parthenon in Nashville, Tennessee. It's pretty cool. I went there. And I'm a sacred mirror of the divine truth. My intensity is my gift. My presence is my purpose. That's the Hayoka Empath mantra, or whatever you want to call it, prayer. And that's true, man. My presence is my purpose, I realize because I have Pluto in my first house in Virgo, when I meet people after, it's a transformative energy, Pluto. Whoa, that goes deep. You like it deep? I bet you like it deep. Yeah. Well, that's what you get with me. Okay? And people, after they meet me, they become transformed. They actually become blessed, super blessed. When people meet me and they're in the presence of me, they become very, very blessed after meeting me. They're lucky as uck. Without the letter F in front of it. Uck. Anyways, but that's only if they're good people. If they're good people, I bless them and their blessings become greater and greater and greater. Their life expands after meeting me. However, if someone is on the darkness, we have the light and the darkness. If someone's on the darkness spectrum, like a bad person, then after they meet me, their life goes to shit. Things start happening and their life becomes like, I'm talking about really bad stuff happening to them. That's why people, when they meet me, they either hate me or they love me. Yeah, if they're good people, they love me. If they're pieces of doo-doo and their brain is full of doo-doo and they're stupid, they don't like me at all. So what do I do about this? Well, it's pretty simple. I basically find out and ask them. I give a shit test to people, okay? When I meet people, I went to a place last night, and it was great. It was a sober soiree, and I met a lot of great people. I didn't meet any terrible people there. It was wonderful, wonderful people. There were the people who were on stage, and I had a salon last night too, and I had great people there. And I met a lot of great people there, and I usually meet good people, and I'm an Uber driver, so I've had over 16,000 rides in my Uber, and I meet good people all the time, but I don't have any close to my chest friends, I have a lot of acquaintances, and I used to knock on 100 doors a day selling alarm systems for a dealership of ADT. And when I did that, I met people every day. People would be in people's homes all the time selling alarm systems. So it's I did a tally one day how many people I've met and I've had conversations with, hello, how you doing? What's going on? What do you do for work? Stuff like that, And I made a tally, and I've met over 250,000 people. I did the numbers, okay? And I've met over 200, probably over. I'd say it's over. But on the safe side, I'd like to say about. I met about 250,000 people that I've talked to and had conversations with. That's 250 million people that I've blessed. And people get great things to them. But the bad people, the idiots, the dum-dums, the people who are like follow their darkness and animal natures and like are angry and they're lustful, they ejaculate the porn, those type of people. They don't get the same experience as good people do. They get like, what happens when they meet me is they like, I help them reach their bottom is what I do. Because I'm a recovery. So what I do is I help them reach their bottom. The stuff I say to them, it's like kind of like self-reflection. Like I said, I'm a sacred mirror of divine truth. I mirror people's energy to them. So I don't like send them to hell on purpose, or I don't like bless them on purpose. I mirror their energy back at them. I'm a sacred mirror of divine truth. My intensity is my gift. My presence is my purpose. And just by being close to me or by me or even watching a video of mine, people just become more blessed, or they go to hell, So it's on them. They were on the way to hell. I just help accelerate their descent is all I do. And if they're going on a good trajectory, I help accelerate that trajectory. That's all I do. It's my purpose, That's what I do. And basically, what I do is to figure out who's a good person for me. Is I do a shit test a lot of times. First I build up rapport. How you doing, this and that, and get to know each other. And then I do a shit test, and I go, hey, you know what your rising sign is? My rising sign is Virgo. I'm a Virgo Sun, Virgo Moon, Virgo Rising. I got 7 planets stellium in Pisces, And Virgo. 7 planets in Virgo. Oh, my God, I drink some more coffee. I think I'm not awake yet. I'm thinking I'm still in the Astro realm from last night. They didn't unplug me from the switchboard yet. Oh, my God, I'm still sleeping. Oh, what the fuck? All right. So, yeah. So I asked them, what's their rising sign? And then I get an idea of, like, what's the rising sign? Then I know this person is going to be an acquaintance, and he's going to be like, keep him arm's length away from me. Danger, Will Robinson, danger. This person doesn't know astrology. He must be a dum-dum. I really think people who don't know astrology are dumb. They're spiritually inept. Okay? And I might be judging, but, I can. And I don't want those people, like, close to me. If you don't know your rising sign, I don't want you part of my inner circle. You could be over here. It's like, oh, yeah. You don't know your rising sign. All right. Yeah, okay, I'll talk to you later. If you don't know your rising sign, I don't want to know you that well. I won't, let's put it this way. Unless you're my family, chances of somebody coming into my place, like this is my place right here. You can see this here. I got my rocks and stuff, my rocks over there, and this here is otter spirit. You're not going to be able to come into my place if you don't know your rising sign. I just got these from outer spirit for my aunt. My aunt wanted to have some bracelets because these are mine. Oh, I'm not wearing them because I just woke up. Okay, so these are mine over here, and let me open up the box here and show you a bracelet. You know what I mean? And this bracelet has like energy on it. If you could read this here, can you read that? Each gemstone tells a unique story. Now it's true to write yours. So this is the one of the gemstones that I have here, and looks like this one here is amethyst. Beautiful, right? Yeah, it is amethyst. I know my shit, man. So amethyst here, I'll put it over here so you can read it. Amethyst, it's authentic, triple grade. I'm letting go of fear and embracing peace. And its intention is balance and intuition. And zodiac signs is Aquarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Aries, and it's for the third eye chakra. Okay, that's amethyst. And then the other one that I got here, let's see if we can get this open. I got her 3. She only asked for 2, but this one here is Kuzinite. Love is the essence of the universe. It's for intention is love. Zodiac signs is Taurus, Libra, Leo, and Pisces, and it's for the heart chakra. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Kuzinite. And then I also got her another one. And this cost me like, with my discount that I got from Aubrey Stars, it cost me like $60, you know, 65 maybe. Then this is citrine. I have a citrine too. And it says everything I need to be successful is within me. Intention is prosperity. Zodiac signs, Aries, Leo, Gemini, and Libra. She's a Libra, my aunt. And my dad was a Libra too. My chakras are solar plexus and root sacral. And this is more like a golden color. Let me open it up here. There's citrine. Wow. So I can't put them on my hand because this is a large and my hand is extra large. But that's what I got. So basically,